What's up guys, this is Joshik here, and today we're going to have the review of the CM510 Huawei Bluetooth speaker. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And okay, so what we have here is actually the Huawei 510 Bluetooth speaker. I actually got it from a friend, and his name is Robert. So if you're watching Robert, so this is now your Bluetooth speaker. So I just want to tell you about this product. It is certified IP54 water and dust resistance rating, and also it has a long battery life after a single quick charge, and it can be paired with another Bluetooth speaker, and it has also a built-in microphone and front LED indicator, and its design is very compact, guys. So let me just show you the design of this product. So this is in front, as you can see here, the logo here, sign. I'm not really sure what it means. And at the bottom, you can see here the power and on button. Okay. And it has also the LED indicator if it's paired or not. And on top, you can see here the speaker. And at the bottom, there's nothing here, but it has some three rubbers here that will, I think, stops it from getting turned over. And on the other part, so you can see here the micro USB port, and if I'm not mistaken, so this is the microphone. Let's just focus it a bit. Yes, the microphone, and it has a sling here with the Huawei, which is looks so nice and durable also. So let's go and let's try to check if let's try to test the audio itself. Okay, so by the way, so this is what it sounds when it turns on. Yes, and the Bluetooth indicator is there, and it means that it is already paired with our phone. Okay, so let's just try to check the sound itself. Okay, let me just go to music, and let's try to listen to the songs here. So this is the low part, like maybe 10%, and I'm going to raise it to around 50%. So this is the sound. So it's very close. And what if I put it here? And now here is the, if I turn it to 75%. Yes. Right, so that's a 50%, and let's have the 100%. Okay, so I can say that this is very nice, and my personal opinion about this is it's very compact. So it's just like my fist is kind of bigger than this compact uh, Bluetooth speaker, so you can carry it wherever you go, and you can put it in your bag, and even in your, like, like not purse, but just your carry-on bag. Yes, guys. Okay, and what else? It, when you touch it, so it feels very premium. It's almost the same as the other Bluetooth that we have with a very expensive one. By the way, the price of this is only around $20. So that's around more or less 1,000 pesos. And sometimes you can even get it for around 900 or 800 to if you purchase it online, such as Lazada, Shopee, or Amazon or AliExpress, you guys. So, and I have tried it also before in my job, and it's really working very well. Okay, so if you have any questions about the Bluetooth speaker, guys, so just comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just click the subscribe button to be updated for more gadgets and reviews and unboxing. Once again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.